Welcome learner in our science class for 4th standard. Learner, in this video we will learn about cultivation of crop. So learner, firstly you should know the meaning of cultivation. Cultivation means growing of desired crop. Or we can say that cultivation is a process of growing crops in our field. And various crops such as wheat, rice, and mustard are grown in our field, and crops are cultivated or grown in a step by step method. Steps of cultivations are: first is the preparation of soil, then sowing of seeds, manuring, irrigation, harvesting, and storage. Now let us discuss each step in detail. The first step is the preparation of soil. For this, farmer first dig the soil, loosen it and make it soft. And this method of digging, loosening and turning of soil is called plowing. And this plowing allows the root goes very deep in the soil and help in the growth of plants. And plowing also bring the nutrient rich soil to the top. And plowing can be done by using the tractor or by a plow. And what is a plow? Plow is an iron structure. And next step is the sowing of seed. So here seed must be sown at proper distance from each other, and this allow each plant to get sufficient sunlight, nutrient and water. And this step is followed by the addition of manures and the fertilizers. Gobar khad, or it is also called the compost, urea, nitrate and phosphate are the few examples of fertilizers and manures used by the farmer for the growth of their crop. And next step is the irrigation. So what is the irrigation? Irrigation means watering the plant or crops on large scale. And there are several examples by which field can be irrigated. And some examples are sprinkler system, drip system and tube well. The crops are irrigated at proper intervals throughout their growing period. Various harmful insect or pests like leafhopper damage our crop, so that various chemicals like insecticides and pesticides are sprayed by farmer to remove them. And apart from insect and pest, the unwanted plants, which are called weeds, also grown along the crops. And these weeds compete with the crop for nutrients, sunlight and water, so that these weeds must be removed from fields. And the removing of weeds from the field is called weeding. And weeding can be done by manually or by using the machine. And cultivated crops also must be protected from grazing animal. And when the crops fully grown, comes the process of harvesting. So what is harvesting? Harvesting means cutting and gathering of mature crop. And this is followed by the next step, that is the threshing. Threshing means separation of seed from chaff. This harvesting and threshing can be done manually or by the machines. Then the grains are finally filled in sacks and stored in godowns or in the warehouses. And these are the steps followed during the cultivation of a crop. And now let us have a recap. First, the cultivation is a process of growing crops in field. And the steps involved in the process of cultivation are preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manures and fertilizers, irrigation and crop protection. Firstly, the farmer prepared the soil by plowing the field with the help of plow or tractor. And healthy and good quality seeds are sown to increase the yield of crop. The manure and the fertilizers increase the fertility and the nutrition value of the soil. And field must be regularly irrigated to promote crop growth. The field must be protected from pest, insect, weed and the grazers. So learner, by now you must have understood why your parents and teachers always ask to you not to waste the food. This is because so much time and combined effort of farmer including the nature is required in growing the plants before the food served in your plate. And even a single plate of rice is required many months to grow. So we should not waste our food in any manners. So love food and hate waste. Thank you. Have a nice day.